lesson today, don't I? Half a day, Zantiro. This is Baka. Welcome again. Today's lesson, we're going to be covering columns. But before we get into the lesson, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so, and also click on the bell notification if you guys want to see any more lessons that we offer. In fact, we're going to be doing lessons every Sunday, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. Alright, cool. Let's move right on to the video right now. Okay, so essentially, the way you're I forgot to record. Yeah. Alright, so essentially, you want to call, the way the column is going to work is like this. Notice how one ball is up and then two are curved at the same time. It may look confusing at first, but what's really happening is you're just throwing these balls up one at a time. How do we do that? Alright, so what you want to do is, first step would be to learn to practice through two balls in one hand. But the way you're going to do two balls in one hand is going to be different, because instead of throwing the balls in a circular motion like in our last video, what's going to happen is you're just going to throw these balls in a straight line, like so. You throw with your thumb, your index, and your middle finger, throw that up in the air, and this is the one that you're going to throw on the left using your outermost hand. Now, keep the ball head height so that, again, the higher you throw, the more time you have to react when it falls down. Now, while this ball is at its highest point, the next thing you want to do is you want to have this ball thrown on your right side, like so. So, as the ball gets thrown up, this ball goes down. And by that time, you have a free hand, so this hand should be able to catch this ball, essentially. So it's going to look a little bit like this. Actually, you know what? Alright, here we go again. This is our slow motion effect. You'll notice that, again, you want to maintain head height whenever you throw a ball. That way it's easier for you to react. You'll notice that once you get used to throwing it from left to right, what you want to also do is get used to throwing it from right to left. Also, don't forget to do it on the right side. Also, don't forget to do it on the left side. Like so. Alright, step 2. So, once you get familiar with learning how to do your columns, now you want to be able to familiarize yourself with getting on sync with the third ball. Now, how do we do that? Well, I'm going to introduce you to a new trick called fake columns. Man, you guys are getting 2 tricks in one video. What are you? Man, you guys are spoiled. Alright. Mind you though, it is a really nice trick to look at. So, here's how it works. So, as you throw this ball in the air, the ball on the right that you throw, you also throw at the same time with this. So what do I mean by that? Well, once this ball is up in the air, both this ball and this ball just pick up. Alright? So it's like this, and then see how I'm just picking it up. Alright. And once you get the hang of that, it should look something like this. Ah, oh. So, step 3. Now that you familiarize yourself with fake columns, now you're able to learn the actual column trick. To do this, instead of just picking up the ball in the air with your left hand, what you can do is just toss it up. So again, by the time this ball is up in the air, be ready to throw both of them at the same time, like so. So essentially, it's gonna look like this. Again, make sure to maintain head height so that you have a lot more time to react to when the balls fall down, so that you have more time to catch. All right, to give a better perspective of that, here's how it's gonna look like. So, oops. All right. Don't forget, even if you are able to do this on your right side, that you also have to practice with the left side. Same way, they work both the same ways. Yeah. Alright, that is gonna conclude the end of our video. If you guys enjoyed that lesson, don't forget to subscribe again. And if you guys have any questions that you want to ask, be sure to comment down in the comment section down below, or you can ask me live on Twitch. I stream every Friday through Sunday, 8 p.m. tomorrow Standard Time at twitch.tv/baka_dead. Now, if you guys ever get the chance, don't forget to check out our merch store as well. We got some pretty cool merch to cover, shirts, even pillows. I gotta tell you, man, this pillow though is really, really soft. And if you use the code BAKA0921, you get 30% off your next purchase. So this offer ends until the end of October. So what are you guys waiting for? Check it out. All right, but without further ado, thank you again, and as always, stay groovy, y'all, and peace out. See you in the next one.